Hello there, thanks for joining us. In this video, we're going to be talking with you about how you can work in Canada without a work permit. You will want to see this video, so please stay with us. I'll be right back. As always, remember to like our videos so others may see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified when next we publish a video, and check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. I'll be right back. Hi there, welcome back. My name is Donovan Francis and I'm a Canadian immigration lawyer, and I help businesses, families and skilled workers and students with their Canadian immigration matters and save them from having to deal with complicated immigration rules. Now, in this video, I wanted to share with you one way in which you may be able to come to Canada and work, albeit briefly, without a work permit. Now, Canada's immigration rules have an exemption for persons who are wanting to work in Canada for short periods of time. And this option is known as the short-term work permit exemption option. Now, this is available to select high-skilled workers who are wanting to come to Canada for periods of time that are either 15 consecutive days in length or 30 consecutive days in length. Persons who are adequately qualified may be able to utilize this exemption. Now, the people or workers who will be able to use this exemption will be persons who are either in certain high-skilled professional type jobs. You know, these are jobs that fit into a national occupational classification code of type A. So these are NOC type A jobs. Again, these are going to be professional type jobs, usually people who are IT workers, engineers and similar professionals are going to be the types of persons who may be able to take advantage of this exemption. Similarly, if you are in a management role, or rather if you're wanting to come to Canada to work in a management role, then you too may be eligible for this exemption since management type jobs fit into a National Occupational Classification Code type O. Right, or type 0. So again, the types of workers who may be eligible for this short-term work permit exemption are going to be professionals whose job types fit into a type A job, NOC job, or whose duties in Canada will fit into a type O managerial National Occupational NOC code. All right, so those are the persons who are going to qualify for this exemption. Now, under this exemption, you're able to come to Canada and to work for up to 15 consecutive days within a 6-month period. Or you may choose to do 30 consecutive days within a 1-year period, okay? But you will not be allowed to work for any longer than 30 consecutive days within a 1-year period, or for 15 consecutive days within a 6-month period. Now, it is possible for you to, within those 15 or 30 consecutive days, for you to come to Canada for 1 day or 2 days, leave and return the following day and continue your work, provided that all of that work happens within a 15-day consecutive period or within a 30-day consecutive period. Now, if you have worked for Canada for more than 15 days, consecutive days, within a 12-month period, what it means is that you would not be eligible for this exemption again until 12 months have passed. All right, so it's a one-time per year exemption, and again, it's available to persons to work for up to 15 consecutive days within a 6-month period, or for up to 30 consecutive days within a 12-month period. Of course, this exemption allows you to work in Canada, but getting entry, being allowed into Canada, is an entirely different thing. And if you're from a country whose nationals do not, or rather are not required to apply for Canadian visas, then you will need to apply for what's called an ETA, an electronic travel authorization. So that will allow you entry into Canada, and it is only after you've arrived at the airport, that you then can apply for this short-term work permit exemption. Similarly, if you are from a country whose nationals are required to apply for visas, TRVs, temporary residency visas, then you will have to successfully apply for your visa first. And then when you've applied for your visa, then upon arrival, you can apply for this short-term work permit exemption. And of course, you're going to have to provide sufficient documentation to prove that you are actually coming to Canada to do eligible work, So you may need a letter from the Canadian employer with whom you're going to be working while you're here. You may need to show airline tickets, return tickets. You may need to show proof of maybe accommodation, maybe receipts from the hotel you're going to be staying at, that kind of a thing, just to convince the officers that you are going to be in fact eligible for this short-term work permit exemption. All right, so that is a very quick overview on how you may be able to work inside Canada without a work permit. All right, I trust you found value from this. As always, remember to like our videos so others may see more videos like this. Subscribe to our channel so that you will be notified when next we publish. And check us out on our website at go.gooselaw.com. Thanks, see you again.